Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a student visa study plan letter. This letter is a personal statement that outlines your academic goals, reasons for choosing a particular program and institution, and your plans after graduation. You'll begin your letter by listing your full name, address, contact details, and the date at the top. Next, address the visa officer at the relevant embassy or consulate. Include a clear subject line, study plan for student visa application, and open the letter formally with Dear Visa Officer. This sets a professional tone for your study plan. After that, write, I am writing to present my study plan in support of my application for a student visa to pursue a degree in program name at University name, Canada. My primary motivation for selecting this program stems from its practical curriculum, global recognition, and the opportunity it offers to build strong academic and professional foundations in mentioned field of interest. Upon completing my studies, I intend to return to my home country and contribute to mentioned industry or sector by applying the knowledge and skills acquired abroad. I have chosen university name due to its distinguished faculty, advanced research facilities, and its alignment with my career goals. I am financially supported by mentioned source, self, family, or scholarship, and I am fully committed to complying with all visa regulations during my stay in Canada. This international experience will be instrumental in helping me grow both personally and professionally, and I am eager to make the most of this academic opportunity. Thank you for considering my application. Sincerely, your full name. Here's our sample student visa study plan letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the applicant's academic goals, explains the choice of institution and program, and demonstrates a strong commitment to returning home after completing their studies. The letter's clear and personal structure helps ensure a positive impression on the visa officer. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective visa and academic support letters.